Hi guys, welcome to our channel, The Baby Shop. In this video, we try to help you find out the best 5 toys for your cute kids on the market. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 1. Melissa and Doug Vroom and Zoom Interactive Wooden Dashboard Steering Wheel Pretend Play Driving Toy. Rev up playtime and take imaginations for a spin with this realistic play steering wheel mounted on a sturdy wooden dashboard with lights, sound effects, and moving parts, including a scrolling GPS. Turn the key to start and shift into drive to get the GPS rolling. Turn the wheel to keep the car on the road on the GPS display. The interactive dashboard includes hands-free buttons on the steering wheel for a phone and the radio, which plays clips of music for each of 4 stations. Movable parts and buttons let kids 3 and older beep the horn, adjust air vents, turn on signal, hazard, and headlight indicators, and rev the engine. Set a timer to count down to empty gas tank, and remove the gas cap when it's time to fill up. A terrific toy for hand-eye coordination, imaginative play, and to help teach cause and effect. Number 2. Leapfrog Scoop and Learn Ice Cream Cart. Learning is sweet when pretending to run your own ice cream cart. The Scoop and Learn Ice Cream Cart lets you create a variety of imaginative and tasty-looking ice cream combinations using 4 flavors of ice cream, 3 toppings, and 3 syrup flavors. Use the magic scooper to scoop up the ice cream and toppings to build customer orders, and it will recognize the colors and flavors. Then press the pump to add pretend syrup while counting to 10. Build memory and sequencing skills by choosing from 6 cute animal order cards and following the instructions. Ring the bell to let them know their order's up. Playful phrases introduce colors, numbers, flavors, and more while you explore the cart's features and 6 activity cards. When you're ready to move to a new location, place the accessories in the correct places or put them in the 2 storage drawers and push the cart around to hear upbeat songs and music. Number 3. Little Tykes Rocking Horse Magenta Small. The Little Tykes Rocking Horse in Magenta is a small, colorful rocking horse designed for young children. It's a popular toy that provides hours of fun and playtime for kids. Here's a brief description in 200 words. The Little Tykes Rocking Horse in Magenta is a delightful and vibrant toy designed to bring joy and excitement to the little ones in your life. This small rocking horse is perfect for toddlers and young children, offering a safe and entertaining way to develop balance and coordination. Its eye-catching magenta color is sure to captivate the hearts of both boys and girls, making it a fantastic addition to any playroom or outdoor space. Constructed with high-quality, durable materials, this rocking horse is built to withstand the wear and tear of active play. Its sturdy, wide base ensures stability, reducing the risk of accidents while your child enjoys the gentle rocking motion. The smoothly rounded design and easy-to-grasp handles offer a comfortable and secure experience for your child. Number 4. Fisher-Price Linkimals Toddler Toy. At Fisher-Price, we know play and development go hand in hand. From bright colors and textures that engage their senses, to activities that get them sitting up and crawling, and interactive friends that introduce first words and spark imaginations, Fisher-Price toys help make reaching those important milestones, and everything in between, so much fun. The Linkimals Learning Narwhal toy helps keep toddlers engaged in interactive learning play with a spinning wheel, multiple buttons to press, and lots of fun lights and songs that teach letters, vocabulary, and more. By watching and learning from real-life fun experts, kids, the early childhood development experts at the Fisher-Price Play Lab discovered these linked toys help babies and toddlers make important connections as they play. Those connections not only can boost academic learning, but also spark shared moments with their favorite playmate. Number 5. Ingenuity Spring and Sprout 2-in-1 Baby Activity Center Jumper and Table with Infant Toys. Baby is growing leaps and bounds, And the imaginative, spring and sproutum, 2-in-1 activity jumper and table is an entertaining activity center and table for ages 6 to 24 plus months to make those first big leaps. This infant activity center helps little ones build gross motor skills with its stable jump base. Choose between two modes, jumper mode and toddler activity table mode. Jumper mode, 6 to 12 months, allows baby to access all the activities with its 360 degrees rotating seat and ultra plush supportive seat pad. Remove the jumper base for activity table mode, 12 to 24 plus months, which comes with a toy storage bag to keep toys organized. Both modes feature 11 engaging, nature-inspired activities with lights and sounds. As your little one gets taller, the jumper features 3 adjustable height positions that grow with baby. Messes are easy to clean with the wipeable seat pad, toys, and table. Complete the collection with the imaginative, step and sproutum, 3-in-1 activity walker to help baby take supported first steps. The nature-themed, gender-neutral activity center and walker introduce little ones to mobility and play. Make the cutest baby shower gift and match any home.